Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do another recap. This morning I traded Microsoft. I am not happy at all the way I managed this trade. I didn't follow my rules and I was being very stubborn with my partials for some reason. I was trying to be patient, but I think it was really more being stubborn. As you can see on the 1 minute, there was a double top, and the first top there was a nice shooting star candle on relatively large volume. It came back down and it came back up in the second top, did the same thing, shooting star on nice volume. So when it came down and was losing these, the moving averages and this previous day high, I went short. It also made a new 5-minute high. And I really, it was an okay 15-minute doji candle. I really like it when the wick's to the top side for a reversal. But anyhow, I had my stop above the high of these peaks. And my first, I really wanted it to get down to this 200 moving average on the 15-minute chart. And if I were to remain patient, it would have done that. And instead, I took a small loss when it came up. I thought it was coming through these this previous day high, and because it wasn't making the move as fast as I'd like it to, I went ahead and exited my position. But if I would have stuck to my original plan, it would have worked out great. Then I saw that on the 1 minute it was really making more of a head and shoulders pattern. And so I went short again once it lost the moving averages for the third time, or not, the moving averages and the previous day high for the third time. And so then then I was really, this is where I was being stubborn with my partial. I thought it was really going to hit this 20 moving average on the 5-minute. My original target, which was down here at this 200 moving average, it hit it, but for some reason I was trying to be really stubborn on this 5-minute moving average for some reason, and I refused to take it until it looked like it was about to push back up and test that high from yesterday. And so I finally went ahead and took a partial, and then it came up and stopped me out. I managed this trade not so great, but whatever. Then I took this Tesla trade. I have been having some pretty decent luck around this time. It was around 1 o'clock with double tops on a higher time frame. As you can see on the 5-minute, it did a double top, 15-minute double top. And this 5-minute candle closed as a shooting star, and it made a new low, and it couldn't reach that first peak. And then on the 1 minute, it also had a nice shooting star on relatively nice volume. So when it made a new 5-minute low, I went short, and my first partial was taken at the 100 moving average on the 1 minute, which was also a new 5-minute low. And then my second partial was at the 9 moving average on the 15-minute chart. And then a previous day high level, and then finally at the VWAP. And I was pretty much out of shares by the time I got to the VWAP. Anyhow, those were my trades, and I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.